Today we are looking at the Samsung RL4362RBASL fridge freezer in. Visit the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information. Boasting a smart and professional stainless steel finish, the Samsung RL4362RBASL/EU fridge freezer makes it easy to keep all of the family's fresh and frozen food safely stored. Plenty of space. With a total of 432 liters of storage space, you'll be able to comfortably pack away the weekly shop in this attractive modern appliance. The refrigerator offers 300 liters of room and is fitted with 3 safety glass shelves, a further 5-door balconies and 2 salad crispers, making it simple to stack away all your food and produce. A multi-flow system uses vents on every level of the fridge to ensure an even temperature is maintained throughout, even after the door has been opened. By keeping all sections cool simultaneously, your food will remain fresher for longer. Refresh yourself, letting you enjoy a refreshingly cool drink of water on demand. A chilled water dispenser is available. Non-plumbed, you simply need to make sure the internal reservoir is kept topped up and you'll be able to benefit from a chilled drink whenever you're thirsty. The freezer compartment provides a 4-star cooling environment for your frozen items and is made up of 4 clear-fronted drawers. In addition, a twist ice cube tray makes it simple to produce and store a supply of ice cubes perfect for chilling your favorite beverages. Clever technology. Both compartments in there RL4362RBASL feature frost-free technology, meaning the chore of performing a manual defrost can be consigned to the past. This appliance also makes use of a smart sensor system and works by monitoring the temperature in your kitchen, the humidity level in the fridge and even your usage patterns. By using this data, there RL4362RBASL/EU is able to make appropriate adjustments and ensure your food is always kept in the optimal environment to keep it cool and fresh. Coming with a 5-year guarantee and an A+ energy efficiency rating, the Samsung RL4362RBASL/EU fridge freezer is both an effective and smart fridge freezer that is ideal for any family home. Click on the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.